My name is Yusuf Musisi. I am the station manager of IUIU. I take this opportunity to thank each and every school that has participated in this educational grant competition. We are indeed grateful for your work, for your commitment. It is a great honor to be with you, and you have made this competition indeed something to think about, and to make sure that we were doubting whether we can go forward with it. And today, we believe each and everybody who's watching us on our YouTube channel and who's listening to us through our radio 93.1 IUIU FM, that has acknowledged that we need to go forward, and we have this competition as a continuous thing. I have not much to say because of time, but I promise as a station we are committed to continue having such competitions, because you can see the duty we have as Muslims. And this is nothing better than this. There's nothing better than this, having a Qur'an competition. We are going to have it next time, inshallah, and we are going to make it beautiful than it has been this time around. We want to apologize in advance if there is any mistake, if there is any error that has been made in this competition, that it has given us a lesson. We have learned. We are going to improve on that error. Again, I want to thank my team, the Dawa department at the radio, for this wonderful preparation, for the planning, for the organization of this competition. You have been working tirelessly, day and night. They told me even setting a question is not easy. I myself am very grateful to see a new team that is coming in the society to give or to have the recitation spread. I know that where you are or where you are going as a student, as a pupil, the community where you are going to go, try to teach people this Qur'an. We always see a number of us having challenges in this recitation, and we are requesting that you be our pillar to learn. There are very many. Have you been watching social media? Someone reading, Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Have you watched that guy? Tomorrow I don't want to be the one, because I have you, my people. I want you to teach the community. I conclude by promising that after this Qur'an competition, there is another competition that we are going to organize. That will also include some bit of Qur'an, but for it is going to be also exciting like this one has been. I don't know, my team will tell me whether it is coming this very same term or the other term, the coming term. But we are looking at the gaps in our society, especially the Muslim society, and we say, now here, we are missing this, let us fix it and we have it. As a radio. Because, my sisters and brothers, IUIU FM is the only radio station that is standing on Islamic values and norms in the Eastern Uganda. Not only Eastern Uganda, but even when you go far east, you find that there is no any other Muslim radio. And if we don't do this, who else is going to do? There is a brother of ours. He works with another radio station. I don't want to mention the name of the station. He has this competition also. But they are charging him 900. I don't know if it's per hour or for the program. And they are giving him only one time. There's a certain time they are giving him. It is indeed challenging. So if you have IUIU FM, enjoy it. We have trainings that we do for communication. Come and participate. This is your radio. They will announce for those who have won the guest of honor, the winner. A school has a package as a school, which will now be announced after as a school. But also the pupils and students who have won, they're also going to be rewarded with something. And we are promising that next time, these things are going to increase. They are going to be superb. They are going to be beautiful. We had stopped with at least, I think, 3 years or 4 years. We started this project, but someone came and said, I'm taking over this project. I have the capacity to fund it, to run it in a very wonderful way. But then later on, he let us down. We realized we were missing as Muslims, and we could not sit any longer. I hope that everybody has enjoyed. If you are learning, if they are teaching you English, what is the question tag there? Have you enjoyed? Have you enjoyed? I want a question tag. Do we? Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Assalamu ala أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وأصحابه وسلم. Without taking much of time, because when we look at the time now, it's just 10 minutes to Salah. I would like to use this opportunity to call our guest of honor, our Dean, Faculty of Islamic Studies and Arabic Language, Dr. Shiinji, to come and give us the word of wisdom. Thank you so much, sir.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. The Chief Judge, the organizers, all the members of academic and administrative staff here, I salute all the judges, our schools which have participated, and the participants themselves, protocol observed. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. When they want to cut you short, they call you when it is 5 minutes to swallow, which means I will not speak beyond 5 minutes. I am pleased. I again thank the organizers for this initiative. I have forgotten to thank the parents. It is worth to thank the parents. At many times, people laugh at others because they speak broken English. The one laughing at the other because of broken English may be reading a broken Qur'an. So, it is also very bad to be with a broken Qur'an. When you recite, not even reciting, reading, you have only the broken Qur'an. So these children of ours who have participated have given us a good example. Thank you very much for participating. Thank you, the organizers, for organizing. All members are thanked. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم وقرآنا فرقناه لتقرأه على الناس على مكث ونزلناه تنزيلا, that the Quran was revealed in stages, in piecemeal, in portions, so that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam recites it to people ala mukthin, ay ala tadabburin, ta'ammul. that they ponder, they reflect upon its meaning. So when we recite the Quran, it is not a matter of reciting without the heart being absent. It is not a matter of reciting when the meaning, we don't think about the meaning. It is not a matter of reciting when we cannot put it into action. So as we recite, we memorize, we have to be examples. The Quran should be within our hearts. We recite the Quran, but we live with the Quran in our hearts. We live with the Quran in our lives. So this is a good initiative by the IUIU 93.1. Is it IUIU FM? 93.1. But what I advise is that next time, please, manager of IUIU FM, next time, don't organize lonely. You organize together with the Faculty of Islamic Studies. It is just a request. I thank the members of the community who have supported or who have sponsored this program. Otherwise, IUIU FM would not run it solely. So you have done a great job. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward all of you abundantly. I think with those few words, I thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing more competitions being organized. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Islamic Media. Qibla Islamic Media.